Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple calculator in Dev C++. A quick and easy project to practice coding, and by the end, you'll be able to perform basic math operations with your own program. Let's get started. First, we include the header file iostream and write using namespace std. Inside the main function, we declare a character variable called op to store the operator, and two double variables, number 1 and number 2, to store numbers. The program first asks the user to enter the first number and stores it in number 1. Next, it asks the user to enter an operator, like plus, minus, multiply, or divide, and stores an op. Then it asks for the second number and stores it in number 2. After taking the input, we use a switch statement. If the operator is plus, it adds the two numbers and displays a result. If the operator is minus, it subtracts the second number from the first. If the operator is multiplication, it multiplies both numbers. For division, the program first checks if the second number is not equal to 0. If it is not 0, it divides the first number by the second and shows a result. But if the second number is 0, the program prints an error message saying Division by 0 is not allowed. Finally, if the user, E, enters any operator other than plus, minus, multiply, or divide, the default case is executed and the program prints invalid operator. At the end of the program, we write return 0. This tells the operating system that the program finished successfully. Now compile and run a program. The program first asks to enter the first number. Here we enter 5. Next, it asks for an operator. We enter the minus sign. Then it asks for the second number. We enter 1. The program processes this input and shows a result. It displays result equals 4. So our calculator is working correctly and giving the right result. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.